morning. We're gonna make some malanga today. So what we need is malanga cut in big chunks, orange segments, dry onions, garlic chopped, and this is preserved beans with ginger. So they look like that. All right, awesome. So this is a Cantonese dish. My mother-in-law is teaching me how to do from her mother-in-law. So from mother-in-law to mother-in-law, here we go. So the first thing we're gonna do is turn the heat up high. We're gonna make a frito with oil. Like 3 tablespoons of dry beans. Soy sauce. I add a chicken stock from Maggi, half of it, and I mix it a little bit more. So I'm gonna add about half a cup of water. So I add the malanga, and something that I didn't do, I supposed to add salt to the chicken before I put it on sauteing, but I didn't, so I'm just gonna add the salt right now. So I mix it, I lower the flame to low, and I'm gonna cover it up and wait like 30 minutes. So we're gonna wait until the malanga is cooked. I'm gonna cover it with this because I don't have like another pan. I don't have another lid for this. And the malanga has to be firm, not too soft. We don't want to dissolve. So at this point, we're gonna add orange segments, mandarin segments, I should say. They're dried up. I put it in the air fryer, and they're quite hard, like I said. So I'm just gonna add it to this. Check the seasoning, and we're gonna add sugar, a little bit of sugar, and mix it up. You add water accordingly to your malanga, because the different malangas, they need more water. Depending on what you have, you add either more water until it's tender, okay? So just you gotta pay attention to it. I want to show you how is the end result. Really yummy.